Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to book a flight on the Jazeera Airways application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the book flight button in the middle of the screen. Then select the type of trip, such as return, one-way or multi-city. Then you should select your departure point. After that, your destination. Click on the to button. Then select the departure date. Then your return date. Click on the number of travelers and select the number of travelers. Then click on the apply button and click on the show flights button, and here you can select from the available flights and tap on it if you would like to book it. But first you need to select the class, then click on confirm, and then you can finalize the process by selecting the method of payment. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.